Copy that. We're in the 400s receiving fire from Creekside, over. Watch this way. Keep covering that way. There's behind a tree. It's a sniper. Hey, Ghost. I'll cover. Get to these guys. Bring them over here. Okay, watch your ears. Watch your ears, guys. Watch your ears. Move squad 1 if you have any. Guys, get ready to push up to the bus, over. We're loading.
Where are they at?
A health hallway. Squad 1, this way. Awesome. Hey Lion, here in a bit I may break you off and have you be a fire team lead, okay? Yep. Contact from bus, just keep an eye out to the right. Ship down into the creek. Into the creek. Remember to spread out. We're gonna push up. Copy, go up there, get in those buildings before we start shooting. Y'all two go with them. Yeah, y'all two stay with me. You two go. Careful. Okay. Put eyes down there. We're moving up though. Friendliest dead ahead. Y'all two push up this way. Push around here, go this way. Push into these buildings. We're trying to get straight ahead. No worries. That building, watch that building. Push up to your left. Hit! You get the guy, buddy, right here. Buddy, right here. You use mine on me.
I got you. Yeah, you're on turn. He's for yourself.
You take this one to replace it.
I got you.
One more knot.
There you go.
Straight across here. Okay.
We got green roof. We got our own green roof.
Okay. Mr. Red, what's the status of bus? Over. Copy that. We're in the 400s receiving fire from Creekside, over. Watch this way. Keep covering that way. There's behind a tree. It's a sniper. Taking fire from the tail end of bus as well as from Creekside on their side of the 400s buildings, over. Straight across here and then of course from Hells. We need to push up to that building if we can.
Which one? Green roof? The one
Hold on, let me squeeze past. Let me squeeze through here.
Dang, that's so
Versus mine. Let me know when I can push past you.
Go. I got the bus. Put it down.
Yep, there's a sniper still over there. This is squad 1. Continue to push up the creek if you can by side those 400 buildings. Over.
Hey, you got one.
Watch it straight ahead, straight ahead. Sniper behind a tree. Sniper behind a tree! Moves to squad 1. If we have any friendly elements inside of the creek, continue to push ahead. Over. Keep an eye on top. Over. You guys have sensitive ears?
Not really.
Okay.
Not that much.
Well, he's in a good spot. Peeking past you.
Oh, you need again? Yeah, I need again. How's squad 2 doing? Any contact?
Yep, squad 2's coming right in here. Who's to squad 2? What's your status? Over. This is friendly right here.
Yep.
Mr. Squad 2, what's your status? Over.
Currently pinned down in Midtown buildings, but taking very few casualties.
Copy that. We'll try to give you guys some covering fire. Push up if you can, because we need you guys closer to get eyes in creek side. Over. Okay.
Good.
Come on. We do not need a bunch up in here though. Let me turn down mine. That was a hit, wasn't it?
That was right there.
Was that ricochet or was that a hit? I heard something hit you. Let's just call it. You have a bandage?
No.
You're hit. Okay, here's our medic. Here, pull him a chip. I don't see anything in this one.
Should reach in there, grab that.
In this one right here?
Yeah, that should be able
Hey, I'm
to
about to pop this around.
Okay.
This water bottles is in the other pouch. No, not a water bottle. I need that little pouch, that little white pouch.
How many have you hit already?
I'm not sure. I've been trying to just hold cover fire.
Does that lock back in place?
Did you get that sniper over there?
Negative, I don't see him. Go for Moose.
We are unable to move
Mark
forward.
here and line of fire.
Copy that. Pin from where? Over.
Who did you get hit by? Why? Over here?
Yeah, we're getting fire.
Copy that. We're going to try to push up to the next 400 buildings so we can get eyes.
Got it, Jim.
Okay, red means you have to go straight back to spawn. Dead flag, don't, or dead rag, don't forget.
They just control a bridge. Come on.
Sorry!
Alright, Moose,
I could, his rag was right where the tree was.
where you want us?
We need to push up if we can. Give us covering fire. I'm gonna push up one at a time to the next building. Cover fire straight ahead and into the tree line. When I go out, give me cover fire as well through here.
You guys go, Moose.
Pushing out. 3, 2,
Hey, I can't
1.
come up with that 50.
No worries. Bounding. What? Sorry. Guys, get ready to push up to the bus. Over. Reloading.
Where are they at?
A health hallway. Hit!
Hit! That's all three of us. We're wiped right now.
Okay.
What's the status on Ridge?
If I find it, I'll let you know.
Yep.
Okay, okay. Yep.
Good?
Okay, yeah, we're pushing Ridge. Did y'all hear that on the radio?
Squad 1, come with me and we're gonna push kind of through Midtown.
Okay, medic.
Moose to Squad 1, Moose to Squad 1. Be ready on 400s. Me and the respawning guys from Squad 1 are gonna be pushing through Midtown. Get ready to supply covering fire towards Hell's Hallway, over.
Okay, I'm gonna try and push up the Ridge. Well, you're taking Midtown?
Copy that, we'll try to relieve you guys as well, over.
Are you taking Midtown?
Copy.
Okay,
Relieve my guys that are in 400s.
Hey, Moose, I have a bunch of guys set up that are down in Midtown. Set up a casualty collection point and get them back to him and refresh their buddy aids.
See bet it, copy. Okay, let's push up. Left side of these buildings.
I'm gonna set up for a little bit.
No worries. Copy.
Yeah, they're still in the bus.
Moose to line, are you still up, over?
Hey, friendly in bus or no? Friendly? Friendly's in the bus.
Moving up to 206. Okay, cover me up.
Got you.
Bounding. Moose to line, is that you in 400s, over?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Copy that, are you guys still taking fire from Creekside, over?
No, I got a guy positioned up.
Hey,
And up.
Couch Green back here. You can sit down.
Copy that, do you have any casualties nearby you, or are you good, over?
There's no casualties that I can.
Hey, somebody bring him back.
Copy that, we're gonna try to push up the best we can, over.
Somebody bring him back to me. Bring him to me.
Copy that, is there anybody else inside that building in front of you, over?
Or bandage him if he has one.
You need retrieval?
He can bandage him. He doesn't look like he's wearing one.
I don't know if anybody's.
Bandage him up.
Copy that, I got a somewhat of a decent visual that direction, but we'll try to push up as well, over.
These guys do not get
Roger
the
that,
concept
see me.
yet.
Okay, this building right here is clear as of right now.
Hey, does this guy not have a bandage?
Which person? This
Hey,
one right
does
here?
he not have a bandage?
Ask if that guy has a bandage. Ask the guy next to you in the tan shirt, does he have a bandage?
I'm down.
Do you have a bandage? Okay.
Do you? Do you?
Do you have a bandage? Copy.
Do you want to move or do you want me to go up there?
You stay here.
Can you confirm that we got Hell's Hallway?
Negative, but we do have a
We have the bus.
we do have friendlies at bus, over.
Where are those?
We have friendlies on bus.
Copy. Okay. Hey, Ghost. I'll cover. Get to these guys. Bring them over here.
I was gonna say go bandage.
Okay, watch your ears. Watch your ears, guys.
Okay, go
Watch
ahead.
your ears.
I think Tan just pushed from back.
The green just pushed up here. We're switching the flag right now.
Okay, okay.
Green, push up if you can. Green, push up if you can. Mr. Line, push up to that next building, over. Affirmative, push up, over. Squad 1, this way, Squad 1, this way.
I'm here.
Squad 1, if you're in the creek side, push up, push up. Squad 1, push up. I'm gonna try to get to that next building if I can. Guys to my left, cover me, I'm pushing up. Bounding. Affirmative. To your left, Long Creek side, there's still guys up, over.
Roger that. Out here.
Straight through here, straight through here.
If everybody's got a radio on creek, I don't know how far you guys are up.
I have no visuals, but there's shooting coming from this direction.
Roger, keep it safe.
I see him too. Wait, 2R9. Moose to the line, they're 2R9 o'clock over.
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Copy that. Moose 2 to Wolf. Do we still have Hell's Hallway? Over.
Affirmative.
Copy that. Squad 1 is surrounding 400s. We got the perimeter semi-contested. Over. I do not have a visual on anyone, but there's shooting coming from here, and then of course from those barrels that you saw. This guy's more 2R9. Okay, watch it. In this corner. Okay. We got shooting from that direction. I do not have any visuals.
I saw one guy up here. Try me.
Forces on the ridge. We have no one
On the way.
Moose Squad 1 if we have any. Sorry. Hit! You got me with that last round. Good job.
Good. Water. Okay.
I thought it was nice one.
That was a good push.
Dead man. Further down. Can you drag him?
If you put 2 hands, you can drag, yes. Right here. Okay, that works. Remember 2 knots. Watch just on the other side of this building. Do you know if there's enemies right there? Red! Red! Watch behind us! They pushed up! They're on top of us! We're pinned!
Come on, back.
Copy. I just have no visuals. The one-time multicam is actually doing a good job.
Oh, I think I see him.
Do you have any more bandages on you?
Me?
Like your actual bandage.
Actual bandage? No, because I think I use it for two people.
Okay, hold on. I can at least get you up and then you can drink water to reset yourself.
Do you have another or no?
Do you have another bandage? No, he doesn't. Okay. We need to get our medic up. Okay, get ready. I can put 2 hands on you. Come on. Okay, good. I'll do this and then drink water for yourself. Actually, wait, you can't reset yourself. Never mind.
Nope. But
You can reset me though. Well, I'm only on 1 bandage, so
yeah, too.
you're good. Okay, remember your dead rag.
Yep.
Okay.
Trying to get comfy with this.
Give this kid a water. If you drink that whole water and then give him the water bottle back, you can reset your bandage, or he can reset your bandage. He has to take the bandage off. Okay, peeking. Watch your ears, guys.
You're good.
Red is down. They're pushing up this way, but I got no visuals.
We still have a couple guys in creek sides.
Copy. I don't like how many are stacked right here, but
I know. I want to
Moose to Squad 1. Do I have anybody inside of Creek? Over.
I'm gonna move back to that tree.
move back.
Copy.
I want to try to move back to that building.
I drink the water.
You're good. Let me
Okay.
See, let me see the bottle.
Hand.
Just put it back. Just put it in there, and then you can take your bandage off. I'm trying to multitask.
No, you're doing a great job. Keep it up.
That's what medics are for, man.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna try to bounce back from this.
Copy. Covering. Where do you see him at?
They were behind that cover, but a little ways over.
Copy. Moose to Squad 1, we need to keep eyes on the creek or else they're gonna flank us from behind. Over.
Hey, if you guys keep me covered,
Get behind Hells and then have somebody else drag him behind cover. Over. Covering. When you hear my fire, go for it. Covering! Reloading. Well, I was reloading. We need, you say you got contact on creek? Okay. Moose to squad 1. If we have any friendlies, we need them to push creek or at least keep good eyes on the inside of creek. Over. I hear shots coming from over here. Friendly right here. Copy that. How far up are you next to those 400 buildings? Over.
I'm at the far edge.
Okay. Copy that. Keep an eye so they don't flank us. Over. RTB in 3 minutes. We just gotta hold this. RTB is in 3 minutes. Just make sure we hold this line, guys. As long as we keep that flag up, we're good to go. Over.
Roger, out here.
Hey kid, don't forget your dead rag still in here. Correct. Hit! Medic! You have to use your own bandage on you, so keep that for yourself. Actually, hold on. Okay, yeah, you can go ahead and use that one on me. The goal is that you use that person's bandage on you.
Okay.
One more nut.
Nice gun, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay.
Watch it straight through here. On the ridge. Moose to squad 2. Check the ridge just on the other side of Hell's Hallway. You got a sniper up there. Over.
I see him. He's on my gun range though.
Copy that. Just kind of keep him pinned and keep an eye on him. Over.
Copy.
RTB in 1 minute. Copy.
Check ridge. We're being flanked ridge.
If you can spare some guys, make it that way to ridge. Cover them. Hold the line! Hold the line! RTB, RTB! All units, RTB at this time, RTB at this time, over. All units, RTB, return to base! Return to base!